Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an incredible topic that many of you can relate to. We're going to uncover the ultimate weapon to defeat stage fright once and for all. If you've ever struggled with speaking in public or performing on stage, this video is for you. This is Career Life, and let's dive in. Stage fright is a common fear that affects people from all walks of life. Whether you're an aspiring actor, a student giving a presentation, or even someone just introducing themselves in a social gathering, stage fright can strike at any moment. But fear not, we have some tried and true strategies that will help you conquer your stage fright and unleash your true potential. Before we jump into the solutions, let's take a moment to understand what stage fright really is. Stage fright is essentially a fear of judgment, criticism, and failure in front of audience. It's a natural response triggered by the fight or flight instinct. But the good news is, stage fright can be managed and overcome with practice and effective techniques. Preparation is a key. The first step in defeating stage fright is thorough preparation. When you know your material inside out, you gain confidence, and confidence is the antidote to fear. Whether it's rehearsing your lines, practicing your presentation, or mastering your dance routine, putting in the time to prepare will significantly reduce anxiety. Creating cue cards or an outline helps stay on track and prevents from blanking out on stage. Find a method that works for you and stick to it. Visualization techniques. Another powerful weapon against stage fright is visualization. Picture yourself performing flawlessly, captivating the audience, and receiving applause. Visualizing success helps rewire your brain and build positive associations with being on stage. Take a few minutes each day to close your eyes and visualize yourself in different performance scenarios. See yourself feeling confident, relaxed, and delivering your best performance. The more you do this, the more your mind will believe in your abilities. Breathing and mindfulness. Breathing exercises and mindfulness techniques are essential tools to calm your nerves before taking the stage. When we're anxious, our breathing becomes shallow, which only exacerbates the fear. By consciously deepening and slowing down your breath, you activate the body's relaxation response. Before stepping on stage, take a few moments to close your eyes, inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a count, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this several times, allowing yourself to become present in the moment and letting go of any tension. Positive self-talk. The way we talk to ourselves has a profound impact on our confidence and performance. Instead of focusing on negative thoughts like, "I'll mess up," or "What if I forget my lines?" replace them with positive affirmations. Repeat statements like, "I am well prepared," "I am confident," and "I will succeed." Remind yourself of your past achievements and remember that everyone in the audience wants you to succeed. Gradual exposure. Overcoming stage fright takes practice and exposure. Gradual exposure is a powerful technique to overcome stage fright by gradually facing your fears and building confidence over time. Start small by performing in front of a supportive audience, such as friends or family, and gradually increase the size and challenge of your performance. Check out wrap-up video at the end screen. I hope you found these strategies helpful. If you enjoyed this video and found value in it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Also, leave a comment down below sharing your experiences with stage fright and any other techniques you found useful. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, remember to step onto that stage with confidence, embrace your true potential, and shine bright like the star you are. Take care.